Meadows, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Oh, maybe he'll get along with my cats. As we take a look outside, you'll see we're dealing with pretty much tranquil conditions, mainly clear to partly cloudy skies aloft. But you'll notice our humidity is at 100%. That's because our air temperature is matching our dew point value. As of right now, a lot of spots near the coastline sitting at 75 degrees. As we take a look at temperatures right now across the viewing area, upper 70s to even the lower 80s. Look at the folks over in Westminster, still hanging on to 81 degrees, 85, a tad bit cooler down towards Columbia, and 80 degrees currently the temperature over in Annapolis. Dew point values are still hovering in the upper 60s to the mid 70s, so we all know what that means. It's going to make it feel a tad bit uncomfortable out there once again, so kind of a similar setup to what we dealt with last night. And because our dew point values are relatively high and our air temperatures are still well into the upper 70s and the lower 80s, that could allow for some patchy fog to form around the usual locations near the valleys. As we head overnight, look at this, low to mid 70s for most of us, upper 60s across western Maryland. Tomorrow afternoon, we make it right back up into the upper 80s and the lower 90s. We hit a high of 90 degrees at the airport. And once again, it's going to be feeling hot and humid for tomorrow, keeping really humid conditions around as we head into the next couple of days. Mid and upper 60s for a dew point temperature as we head into Sunday, even as we start off early next week. And then we'll keep dew point values in the mid 60s into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Right now, radar is scanning the skies and still picking up on some very light rain showers, slowly starting to diminish a little bit up towards Harrisburg, even out by Cumberland, but a lot of us are mainly dry. That's exactly how we're going to stay into early tomorrow morning. But I am tracking this low pressure system that's going to really start to slide northward and impact the Delmarva Peninsula, even for areas pointed north around New Jersey as we head into early Friday morning. You'll see as the system continues to move northward, as we head around 3 to 4 a.m. on Friday, that's going to bring some heavier rainfall closer to Ocean City if you live over by, if you have friends living over by Fenwick Island. And even around Rehoboth Beach, going to really be dealing with that chance for some periods of heavier rain, some gusty winds, and I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a few strong thunderstorms develop along with this system. But as the system continues to become occluded a little bit and kind of die off and track up to the north and east, we're going to be welcoming this other system that's going to be bringing us another chance for some stronger storms from the west, and that's going to be associated with a cold front. So we do have a driving mechanism that's going to be building and moving in and through Maryland. That's going to be bringing the chance for a few strong thunderstorms mainly into Saturday afternoon. And of course, as we keep conditions on the relatively muggy and humid side, that's going to help spark up a few showers and storms through the first part of the upcoming weekend. But here's that model a little bit close to home. You'll see the heavier rain really, as of right now, being a little bit more focused closer to Elkton along with Chestertown. This is where we can expect our high temperatures to be for tomorrow, well into the 80s and the lower 90s, and keeping temperatures above normal as we head into the upcoming weekend. Back to you.